Alright guys, so do you see huge ask on 47 on NIO? And I am long on it, getting sold some here, but I want to get to break of 47. So here's my position here. I already had that trade on another account, so we're gonna get that 47 break on it. So huge ask, you can see huge ask on it. I could actually add a little bit of more on it, but I'm not. So 47 is gonna break. So what we see here is a big ask. These market makers are demanding higher and higher. I saw something like 100 lots or something. Oh, I didn't. Nice.
Yeah, there you go. Selling, selling more here. 47.08.
Perfect. So as you see, so that became a strong stock. What we call them a super stock in our community. So sold off suddenly, huge engulfing crack, and unfortunately I actually woke up late, so I'm sorry. So that's a really engulfing crack. That's an amazing area that you could get long. So this area could be amazing entry for long, but unfortunately I was sleeping, and this time I just woke up, took a look at it, and see that we already pulled back from this level. Really nice potential entry. So I added, and then for a potential break at 47. This is gonna stay strong all day. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at the chart and see what do we have. So we broke that level. There is really no other level, at least on a daily chart, all the way up to 50. It's a little bit of stretch, goes all the way up to 50. It may not really, but we'll see how it goes. We can actually see this. You can see a stretch that as much as possible. So I traded heavy size on both accounts. I sold all of it on the other accounts, and now what we have here. So this is become really amazingly strong stock. I know Qs are going up, market is ripping higher. The asks are usually getting much bigger in these situations. Again, these are big sellers, but they are very aggressive sellers. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, nice move. I still have a little bit left.
Perfect. I sorry that I came late a little bit this morning. Thanks, Thor, for covering this session. I do really appreciate that.
Wow.
And I have some cues.
Took a look
for my swing.
I just shorted some SONO. I'm just covering it here.
SONO is another area.
Yeah. It's just it's just gonna bounce here probably. It's gonna come off the VWAP. I thought it was.
Yes, SONO. It's back to all-time highs.
Yeah, it. This was one of those that really you could tell it was getting overbought, reversing in direction. I hate to short strong stocks, but this one just looked like a really nice breakdown. You can see it.
Guys, this is a recap.
Like a
I'm gonna actually put something on the recap. So we go back in time, September 18th at the IPO that we did. Do you see these two levels? If you say yes or no in the chat room, do you see this level? This is important, guys. Do you see these two levels that I just found? I just woke up from my bed. These two levels. Do you see the high of the day, how it rejected 2220? This is so easy finding these levels. That's it. You know, big pop, the decision, and then that's it.
That was it. Yeah.
How did I find? Is it magic? No. Did I have a very complicated algorithm? No. You just go back in time. So there's nothing here back up to 2020. So you just press this and go back. Oh, you see some stuff here right at the IPO, summer 2018. You zoom in this area, see what's going on. See, well, we had one all-time high on the day of IPO. This is because there's nothing here. We have it was IPO'd in August 13, and then you come two big pop. So you zoom in a little bit. You just roughly put the area. It's rough, 5 cents up and down. You can just put it here. That's exactly this is a very important level because went up and boom, rejected. And see, through 2 years later, 3 years later, come and just did that. Somebody please let me know if this is not magic. Then what's the definition of magic? You can find a level that it just bounces back. This happened to NIO as well a few days ago.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, you can actually you don't even have to put those levels in. You can just use the pivots that are in DOS, because that same level showed up on a DOS pivot. And Thor did a video on that. How you can add those into your charts. They just populate automatically.
Yeah.
You don't even have to look back.
It's called Philosopher's Stone. You touch it, it turns everything to gold. So somebody's asking why these levels is because these levels these are all psychological trade of traders. That's what traders trade based on. That's it. They say, okay, where should I sell? Where should I cover? Oh, there's a resistance. I start covering over there. It's all psychology of the traders. Or even algos. I mean, somebody writes the algos, somebody gives them data and say, hey, go to R1 plus IQ, dip, 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 dip. In that level, they calculate it and then they start trading based on that. I'm gonna hold this 1,000 share on NIO. The way that it's going up, I think has the potential to go break the all-time high again. So I'm gonna keep on this one. So 4,400 on this account. When I actually traded that, I added on the other account too because I had more buying power over there. So I had a pretty good day, guys. Not bad for rolling out of the bed. So another apology, guys, from everyone that sorry that our website is down again. We swear that today, this time we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. After we fix it, we'll tell you what was the problem. So just hold on with us a little bit. Perfect. Thank you so much, guys. That's the recap. I'm gonna post it on YouTube. We'll see when I stay in the chat.